Alright, so we are towards the end of creating a fancy looking price list. Now comes the final bit of formatting. So let's do the formatting of the header section. Let me select the header area and I'm going to select a dark blue color over here and change the font color to white and make them bold and increase the size of the font. We will adjust the column width here. Alright, next is the title of the columns. We are going to select with gray color and the font in black, and we will make it bold. We are going to select each section header with light blue color. So we'll select light blue and the font as white. We'll make it bold. We will do the same for all the section head. Bold. So if you notice, the last selections that you had done for colors appears here, so you can quickly do that. Right, and we will then select the product IDs with dark blue color and the font, make them bold. Please be careful while selecting colors. Please select colors that are complementing each other or are matching, and try to avoid using too many colors, because then your price list is going to look like a rainbow. Alright, so now what remains is to create the borders. So I'm going to select the main section, main table, excluding the gray title bar. I'm going to right click here, format cells, click on format cells, go to border, and we will select the light blue color which we had selected for header section as the border, and we are going to select the darker one. This is the lightest, little bit more darker. We'll select outline as well as inside and click OK. So now you see the borders are selected with blue color, which is same as the section header background. That's why you do not see lines here in the middle, even though it is there. Here, let me adjust the column width. What we will do here is, since these are section headers, we will apply the light blue color and we will center them. Alright, so last two formatting that needs to be done is, one is go to view section and remove grid lines. So now your file looks much neater without the grid lines.